General Olson. Would like to talk to you about what does it look like, 2 to 3 years from now? Are we going to have autonomous strike fighters out there running on AI, or what's that going to look like in 3 years from now?
Well, certainly the rate and pace of the application of both data analytics and AI, ML, and deep learning capabilities are a pervasive focus across the Department of the Air Force. As we look ahead and do a snapshot, I think the quintessential application that includes a portfolio-wide approach is both the focused utilization across our Secretary of the Air Force operational imperatives, but it's also what we call JADC2, or Joint All-Domain Command and Control, and the specific application within the Department of the Air Force is the Advanced Battle Management System, or ABMS. As you can tell, I have a couple of hats. So I am, in addition to the Department of the Air Force Chief Data and AI Officer, I'm the mobilization assistant to the Chief of Space Operations, thus the image in the background, but I'm also the Space Force lead for JADC2 and ABMS. And so when we look at the convergence of these areas, when we look at the underpinnings of the digital infrastructure, essentially JADC2 is the ability to sense, make sense, and act across all domains with the joint services in a contested environment at the speed of relevance. And I think that absolutely underscores the quintessential approach. We're trying to leverage machine-to-machine speed. We're trying to leverage the predictive and other capabilities of AI, ML readiness. And we're trying to, again, sense, make sense, and act at that high speed, very dynamic cadence that's required. So for the Space Force, that's absolutely leveraging decision advantage and information advantage by being able to leverage the information and apply that through knowledge and action at the speed of need. In the Air Force, as we look at and talk about wingman AI and collaborative combat aircraft, that's absolutely essential to what we're doing. But of course, we don't even fly without maintenance and logistics and basing. And these are really complex and challenging endeavors. And we're leveraging data and access to our authoritative data and analytics at speed with AI, ML, and DL capabilities. So these are really ubiquitous enablers. Is this Buck Rogers? Is this Star Wars? It is on the path to leveraging the tremendous capability, but it's really evolutionary, and yet I don't want to understate the rate and pace of advancement. And as we talk with our industry partners and our interagency partners here, it's absolutely essential to work collaboratively. And we think that this is a team sport and driving to deliver those outcomes at a very rapid pace, making sure that we're responsible, we're robust, and we're resilient all throughout the journey is an integral part. So I'm really enthused about the future. I think what we're seeing is year by year, actually month by month, we're making extraordinary progress. We've got a lot to do, and we're laser focused on that.